So I got a robot vacuum to make my life easier. Pause. But my Serval, yeah, he had other plans. Look at that focus. Short pause. He's not just curious, he's hunting. In his mind, this white spinning thing is definitely a threat to the kingdom. And boom!
Hey.
Excited tone. The classic Serval jump. These cats can leap over 9 feet in the wild, but here, he's using those skills to take down dust bunnies. The vacuum is just trying to do its job, but my boy is like, "Not on my watch, buddy." Laughing tone. It's nature versus technology, and honestly, nature is winning by a landslide. He's trying to figure out where the prey is hiding. Pause. The way they move is just so elegant, even when they're being total goofs. Living with an exotic cat means never having a boring day. Short pause. If you want to see more of his wild antics, hit that follow button. Enthusiastic.